The Pontiac Firebird is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, a testament to the spirit of freedom, and a cultural icon that has left an indelible mark on the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Born in the late 1960s, the Firebird emerged during a time of great change and innovation in the automotive industry. It was an era when muscle cars ruled the roads, and the Firebird quickly established itself as a fierce competitor in this high-octane world. With its bold design, powerful engines, and undeniable charisma, the Firebird became a legend that continues to captivate generations of fans. The story of the Pontiac Firebird begins in 1967, when it was introduced as a sibling to the Chevrolet Camaro. Both cars were part of General Motors' response to the wildly successful Ford Mustang, which had sparked the "pony car" revolution. However, the Firebird was not merely a rebadged Camaro, it was a vehicle with its own unique identity. Pontiac infused the Firebird with a distinct personality, blending performance, style, and innovation in a way that set it apart from its competitors. From the very beginning, the Firebird was designed to be more than just a car, it was a statement. One of the most striking aspects of the Firebird was its design. The first-generation Firebird featured a sleek, aerodynamic body with a long hood and a short rear deck, a hallmark of classic muscle cars. Its aggressive front grille, dual hood scoops, and optional hidden headlights gave it a futuristic and menacing appearance. The Firebird's design was not just about aesthetics, it was a reflection of its performance capabilities. Under the hood, the Firebird offered a range of engines, from a modest inline-six to a roaring V8, catering to a wide spectrum of drivers. The top-of-the-line Firebird 400, with its 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivered exhilarating power and speed, making it a favorite among performance enthusiasts. As the years went by, the Firebird evolved, adapting to changing tastes and technological advancements while staying true to its roots. The second-generation Firebird, introduced in 1970, took the car's design to new heights. With its bold, sweeping lines and iconic, "Screaming Chicken" hood decal, the Firebird became a symbol of rebellion and individuality. This generation also saw the introduction of the legendary Trans Am model, which would go on to become the most celebrated version of the Firebird. The Trans Am was more than just a car, it was a cultural phenomenon. With its high-performance engines, racing-inspired features, and unmistakable styling, the Trans Am embodied the spirit of the open road and the thrill of speed. The 1970s were a golden era for the Firebird, as it became a staple of American pop culture. It appeared in movies, television shows, and music videos, cementing its status as a cultural icon. Perhaps the most famous example is the 1977 film Smokey and the Bandit, in which a black and gold Trans Am played a starring role alongside Burt Reynolds. The movie showcased the Firebird's speed, style, and charisma, making it a dream car for an entire generation. The Firebird's association with freedom, adventure, and rebellion resonated deeply with audiences, and it became a symbol of the American spirit. However, the Firebird's journey was not without challenges. The 1970s also brought stricter emissions regulations and fuel economy standards, which forced automakers to rethink their approach to performance. Pontiac responded by focusing on innovation, introducing technologies like fuel injection and turbocharging to maintain the Firebird's performance while meeting regulatory requirements. The result was a car that continued to deliver thrilling driving experiences, even in the face of adversity. The Firebird's ability to adapt and evolve is a testament to its enduring appeal. The third-generation Firebird, launched in 1982, marked a new chapter in the car's history. With its aerodynamic design, advanced suspension, and modern amenities, the Firebird embraced the trends of the 1980s while retaining its performance-oriented DNA. The Trans Am, in particular, continued to shine, with models like the Turbo Trans Am and the GTA pushing the boundaries of what a muscle car could be. The Firebird also became a pioneer in the use of technology, with features like digital dashboards and advanced engine management systems setting it apart from the competition. By the 1990s, the Firebird had firmly established itself as a legend. The fourth-generation Firebird, introduced in 1993, was a masterpiece of design and engineering. Its sleek, futuristic body was a departure from the boxy styles of the past, and its performance capabilities were nothing short of extraordinary. The Firebird Formula and Trans Am models offered a range of powerful V8 engines, including the legendary LT1 and LS1, which delivered jaw-dropping acceleration and handling. The Firebird was no longer just a muscle car, it was a high-performance machine that could compete with the best sports cars in the world. Yet, despite its success, the Firebird's journey came to an end in 2002, when General Motors discontinued the model. The decision was met with sadness by fans, who mourned the loss of an icon. However, the Firebird's legacy lives on. It remains a beloved symbol of American automotive history, a car that embodied the spirit of innovation, performance, and freedom. For those who grew up dreaming of owning a Firebird, it represents more than just a vehicle, it represents a way of life. The Pontiac Firebird's impact extends far beyond the automotive world. It has inspired countless artists, writers, and filmmakers, who have used the car as a symbol of power, freedom, and individuality. Its influence can be seen in everything from music to fashion, and its iconic design continues to inspire new generations of car enthusiasts. The Firebird is not just a car, it is a cultural touchstone, a reminder of a time when the open road represented endless possibilities. In many ways, the Firebird's story is the story of America itself. It is a story of innovation, resilience, and the pursuit of dreams. From its humble beginnings in the 1960s to its status as a cultural icon, the Firebird has always been more than just a car. It is a symbol of what can be achieved when passion and determination come together. As we look back on the Firebird's legacy, we are reminded of the power of imagination and the enduring appeal of the American dream. The Pontiac Firebird may no longer be in production, but its spirit lives on. It lives on in the hearts of those who have driven it, in the memories of those who have admired it, and in the dreams of those who aspire to own one. The Firebird is more than just a car, it is a legend, a testament to the power of design, performance, and passion. And as long as there are roads to travel and dreams to chase, the Firebird will continue to inspire us all.